Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Beyond Bank mobile banking application. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then open up the Google Play Store. Now simply tap on the search box and then type in Beyond Bank in the search box and start the search. Once you find the Beyond Bank Australia application, simply tap on the Install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Beyond Bank application. Just wait for the download to complete, and once you see the Open button, you can simply tap on it and this will open up the app. Now you can simply tap on Login and Start Banking to log into your account, or the Join button to set up a new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Beyond Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.